Hi, I'm Nicole Easterday.
And I'm Susie Wyshak.
And we're absolutely delighted to present this beautifully preserved Spanish-style home featuring timeless architectural elegance.
Let's take a look.
The interior is rich with original details, including crown molding, graceful arched doorways, and gleaming hardwood floors. The formal dining room invites tradition, while the large den with full bath and outdoor flow offers much coveted modern flexibility. The 3 sunlight-drenched bedrooms each open to their own private balcony, creating a sense of retreat and outdoor connection. Imagine garden parties in the sunny private courtyard and enjoy a low-maintenance landscape in the front. The neighborhood is quiet and friendly, close to well-regarded San Leandro schools, parks, and dining. Estudillo Estates is sure to surprise and delight you.
We look forward to seeing you here.